Okay guys, so this is another airdrop which you need to start mining immediately. Okay, so if you're watching this video guys, I want to introduce us to this particular airdrop called Neiro mining. Okay, so right here, this is not a kind of mining or the kind of airdrop you do mine here on Telegram. This is something different. Okay, this is a kind of airdrop you can actually withdraw on daily basis. Okay, so right in this video guys, I'm gonna take you through the process. So guys, without wasting much of our time guys, let me take you through the process. Alright guys, so to participate on this airdrop, all you need to do is to use the link in my description, and this is the home page. Once you register, this is the very first thing you will see right here. So you can see they have here the announcement. They say newly registered user, please click withdraw to set your password before withdrawing coins. And they also say new users can participate in the roulette draw once after registration. Alright, so just go through the write-ups right here, and once you are done reading, click on I know, and this is the home page right here. So you can see guys, I already have over 5,500 coins right here, which I'm gonna convert to USDT right in this video, and boom, I will withdraw it straight to my exchange. So first thing to do right here is to click on mining. Okay, you can see start mining right here, so I'll click on start mining, and that is it. Your coins is mining right here, and this is something you can always come every 24 hours to claim your mined coins right here. So this is it. I just get started, and this is gonna end in 24 hours. So after 24 hours I will have to come here and claim my coins right here. Don't forget, here you can actually mine this for free, and you can also increase your level. So increasing your level will actually give you access to earning more right here. So you can see I am on level 1. So level 1 here simply means I will be earning more compared to the person who is mining for free. So to upgrade your level right here guys, all you need to do is to come over to upgrade right here, and you can see here they have the level 1, and this one is called tools 1, and you can see the daily input, the daily output for the level 1 right here is 1,000 Neiro. Okay, and this is valid for 21 days, and the price right here to upgrade that particular tool is 20 USDT. And they also have here the level 2, and the daily output is 5,100 Neiro. Okay, so the output there simply means the numbers of coins or the quantity of coins which you're going to be earning on daily basis, and this one is actually going to valid for 25 days. Okay, and the price to unlock this particular level is 100 USDT. So they have the levels here down to the level 4, and you can see tools 4. So to unlock this you need 1,000 USDT, and your daily output here is 53,200 Neiro guys. So that is it. To upgrade your level right here guys, all you need to do is to click on buy now. Okay, so if you click on buy now, this is it, and these are the details right here. So you can actually increase your quantity right here. So if I double this simply means I'm going to be paying ×2 of the amount right here, and I'm also going to be earning ×2 of what is here. So I will return it to 1. So the next thing right here, click on buy now, and you can see this is insufficient balance. That is because I don't have up to that amount right on this account. So to do that guys, come over to me right here, and you can see recharge here. Okay, so this is the recharge. So you click on recharge right here, and this is the payments method right here. They have BIP20 USDT, they have TRC20, TRX, and BNB. So let's say for example you want to be using the BIP20, and you click on BIP20. So once you click on BIP20, this is the wallet address right here which you're going to be using to deposit your funds here on this platform. So to do that, copy this link and make sure you come down and make sure you take out your time to read the one reminder right here. And guys, I have made a lot of videos on how to carry out crypto transactions like this, so I'm gonna leave the link right there in the description. So guys, once you are done with the transaction right here, go back, and once you go back guys, this is where you will find yourself, and your money will be here on recharge wallet. So the amount you actually send to this platform will be here. So after recharging your wallet, come over to the upgrade again, click on the buy button, and automatically you will see that the VIP will be unlocked automatically. So guys, that is it on this platform. That is how to upgrade your levels right here on these platforms. And so guys, apart from that, there are other things which you're going to be doing right here on daily basis. So these are the simple tasks to earn you free coins right here. So this is the daily check, and if I click on daily check in, and that is it completed, I just earned extra 5 gold coins. And this is it. They have the daily team reward, so this is for referrals. Okay, if you actually have referral on the A level right here, you're gonna be seeing your earning right here. So these are the referral program right here. And another thing right here, you can see join the Telegram channel. So if I click on follow right here, and I will join the Telegram channel, then go back, and you can see I just earned additional 10 gold coins right here. And another thing right here is the lucky draw right here. Don't forget, I made mention of this in the beginning of this video. So let's check out this, if we actually gonna earn something right here. So I'll click, and that is it. I have one available right here. So this simply means I can actually do this. So I'll click on lottery. So let's see this, and it will spin, and spin. So that is it. I just earned extra 10 gold coins right here on this platform. Okay, so I will go back, and right now guys, the next thing right here is converting this Neiro coins right here to USDT, which you're gonna withdraw straight to your account. So if I come to the bottom right here, you can see Neiro and USDT. So you click on that. So this is it, and right here we are to convert these coins to USDT. So I'll click on all because I want to convert everything, and that 5,525 coins actually give me 11,000. You can see the quantity of, so this give me 11.05 USDT. So the next thing right here is converting this. So I will click on confirm to convert this to USDT. So you can see redemption successful, and I will go back. So this is it. You can see I now have USDT right here instead of the coins. All right, so guys, the next thing right here is the withdrawal process. So I'm gonna be carrying out a live withdrawal in this video. So to do that, click on withdraw, and this is it. You can see here you are to set your password and security here on this platform. So I will go ahead and click on login password. So I will input my login password. Make sure you put something you can actually remember. Okay, so after typing that, guys, go ahead and type the same thing here, the same thing right here to confirm. So I will just copy and paste. Don't forget to copy and paste. You will have to open this password. So the next thing right here is the security password. So I will just go ahead and use the same password right here. So I am just using everything, okay, just for safety purpose. I will just use everything. I am not changing everything right here. I'm using everything this as same. I am using the same password right here. So I will go ahead and click on confirm, and that is it. You can see I have successfully set my password right here on this platform. So right here, guys, they are asking for a withdrawal address right here. So to get your withdrawal address, I will be heading over to Bybit. Okay, so it depends the exchange you are using. It doesn't matter, it's still the same process. So to get my deposit or my withdrawal address right here, I'll click on deposit, and then straight to the last one here, which is deposit crypto. So I'll click on that, and here we are depositing USDT. So I will click on USDT right here, and this is it. Don't forget, I want to withdraw to BIP20, and this is the BSC bracket BIP20. So I'll click on that, and here we go. This is the address right here. So I will go ahead and copy the address. That is it. I have copied my address. Then I will go back to the platform, then paste it right here, and that is it. And the next thing right here is the withdrawal amount. So I will click on all because I want to withdraw everything. All right, and the next thing right here is my security password. So I will just paste it. Okay, so don't forget this, they are actually gonna tax you. They are gonna charge you for this transaction. So as of the 11 USDT, I'm gonna be charged 0.004 right here, and this is what I'm gonna have on my account, 10.16. okay, so I am done with that, and I will click on confirm, and that is it. Withdraw success. So right here, guys, I'll be heading over to Bybit to see if this money will actually drop right here on Bybit. So don't forget, this is my current balance right here, 345.82. so I will be here live just to make sure this money drop right here. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you have watched this video to this very moment, that is it guys. You can see deposit confirmation in progress. So your deposit of 10.166. okay, that is it. Let's wait for this money to drop right here. So as I was saying guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that. That is the only way you can support me on this channel. Okay, don't forget to register on this. Use the link in my description. Okay, so let's wait for this to drop. Okay guys, so this is it. You can see deposit confirmed, and that is the deposit amount. So I will refresh this, and that is it guys. I now have 355.98. so guys, that was a live withdrawal. Don't forget, investing your money to upgrade the level should be at your own risk. Okay, and don't forget, use the link in my description. All right guys, so see you in my next video.